Welcome to this Hargrove Gas Log installation video. Today, we'll be going over the Cimarron Timbers assembly. First, locate and remove the platinum bright embers from the top of the ember bag. Next, cover the entire burner with the provided green embers. Please try to use all of the embers within the bag. Cover the burner entirely with minimal gaps. On the top shelf of the burner, make sure to place embers on the left and right side, leaving the middle of the shelf empty. Now place the platinum bright embers as desired. These add a nice additional glow to the ember bed. Next, we will place the logs. First, place the back log, making sure to place it as far forward as it will go. Then place the left log, making sure to place the hole over the pin as shown. Continue placing logs, paying special attention to any grooves or flat spots. For this next log, make sure to place the hole on the bottom over the pin on the back log. Hargrove's vent-free gas logs require that the logs be placed exactly as shown in this video. When placing the top log, make sure to place the hole over the pin as shown. Also, when placing the far right log, ensure that the hole and the pin are lined up as well. Now cover the floor of the fireplace with the black volcanic cinder. Place the long char piece and the Y-shaped piece to frame the ember bed. Now your Cimarron timber set is ready to light. In just a few short minutes, your Cimarron timber set will begin to glow and produce radiant heat. We hope that your gas log set continues to give you and your family warmth for years to come.